Well, welcome to today's session. Today we are discussing on the aspect of citation, that is in-text citation, as per APA 7th edition. So, as per the guideline provided by Bukhara University, we need to use APA 7th edition for in-text citation and our referencing. Thus, you might not be able to cite with APA 7th edition in your Microsoft Word because we don't have any updated or latest version of Microsoft Word. For that, we need to purchase it. But however, we can ensure it via the free course and online working lab, and that is online writing lab provided by the Priyud University, which is free of cost. So you can save your cost with this also. And let's work on it without making delay, how to cite various aspects, that is about book, picture, audio, article, and all those aspects. I will share my screen with you and you can have a look. First of all, you need to open your Google account, and over there you can see Priyud APA 7th edition. You can type over there just like this. PRUDEOWL, all refers to online writing lab, and you can type APA 7, just hit enter over there. Now you can see a screen as I have shared over here. So just click on APA 7th edition, Priyud all. Now, after opening this one, you can see various aspects, okay? First of all, I want to suggest you that try to get introduced with APA 7th edition. So you can go through various working manual over here, writing manual provided by Priyud University. Some examples are provided over here. And the major difference in APA 6th and APA 7th edition for referencing, in-text citation and citation is that we avoid place. A specific location has been avoided over here in APA 7th edition, whereas some other minor changes are also done that you can see over here in APA work lab and workshop also. So APA formatting and 7th edition, you can find over here, general format and other element. So as I have shared over here in the screen, general format, in-text citation, the basics, footnote, in-note, reference list, authors, article, periodical, books, journal, articles, additional resource, APA sample paper, APA classroom poster, general APA frequently asked question, and APA formatting style guide as per 7th edition. So you can click over here for each and every segment for your writing and writing lab. But for the day, we are just focusing on in-text citation and its referencing mechanism. So we will directly enter over here. So you need to click on APA style workshop. You can find various information regarding APA style workshop. Now the benefit of using Priyud online writing lab is that you can directly cite it from the source. You need not to enter manually if the text is derived from website, book, journal article, online video or film from various sources, that is from YouTube or from other accounts that you are using for your purpose of study. So first of all, let's take the example of a book or journal article. So let me take the example of book. You need to click over here in book. Now search a book by title or author or ISBN. For example, let me cite the book of uh, Business Research Method, printed by Seniors Learning. And author of this book are Zygmunt, Bevin, Adhikari, and Griffin. So let's type first of all the title, if we can find it or not, right? Okay. Business Research Method, a South Asian perspective. Let's click over here on side. It is looking for the sources. Okay. Now it has given exactly the details of the book. That is Business Research Method, a South Asian perspective, written by Zygmunt et al. That is published by Seniors Learning in 2016. So you can just click over here, side, keep continue. Details are over here. You are citing whole book. Business Research Method. Edition, okay? Something that you can enter manually also if the document is not fully developed over here. So let me check the edition if we have any. It's 8th edition. Edition. 8th edition. There is no volume. Okay. So this is the book that I have cited. You can see it over here. Okay. Now complete citation. Click on complete citation. Now it's the free link that we are getting. So you need to watch a video for a few seconds. Else, if you want to skip it, you need to subscribe it. That is, you need to pay $9.95 per month. So it's your choice. For me right now, I'm using a sponsored message that is free of cost. Now complete citation. Here are number of citations that priorly I have used, but for right now, you can see a highlighted one that is with light pink. Can I call it? So light pink color. Now you can click over here on icon right click over here. First of all, copy in-text citation. That is, in-text citation goes with your text. That is Zickman et al. You need to copy it. It's been copied. And you can paste it over in your paper. The paper that you are writing, the thesis you are writing, research report you are writing. You can directly paste it over here. And at the end, you need citation also. For that, copy citation. Citation has been copied. And finally, you can paste it over there on your paper. At the end point, the segment that we basically called bibliography or reference. This is how you can cite from Pure Online Writing Lab. So let's copy it over with our text. For example, you have a Word document that you are basically using for your paper writing purpose. For that sense, now you have text that you are using from the Zickman et al. Book that is basically regarding business research. Let's write something regarding business research from the book of Zickman et al. So, business research is the application of the scientific method, blah, 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 like this, some text that you are using. So now, at the end, there will be a person that you are using as a reference, yeah? So for example, there is last segment, reference, that we basically call it as a supplementary material of our report. So you can just paste it over here. This is the citation that you are using. And what the context is that we have in-text citation also. When we have in-text citation, for in-text citation, you need to complete citation at the beginning, yeah? So you can directly go to back to citation list. This one is the citation. Right click over here. Copy in-text citation, copy. Okay. So now you can use it over here. Now, keep it in mind, the in-text citation can be done in two ways. One is parenthetical and another one is narrative. If you are keeping at the end of the sentence, the text that I have highlighted over here, this is at the end of the sentence. So it is called the parenthetical citation. Okay, it always come at the end. If you are using narrative citation, it must be at the beginning of the text. And when you are keeping it at beginning of the text, make sure that bracket will just follow the year only. Zickman et al. 2016. So basically, while writing this, we write in this form according to Zygmunt et al. 2016 business research. If you are writing in this manner, the green highlighted one, it is narrative citation. So this is the way how you can cite book in APA 7th edition. So let's take some information from APA 7th edition. Here is the name of author, detail about the author, that is last name, comma, first name, first alphabet, period, middle name will be over here. Then year is in bracket. This segment is detail about the author. And here is another segment. This is the year of publication. Then we have another segment. This segment is about the book. Sorry, I chose wrong color. That is not appropriate. Okay. The red highlighted one is the book. So you can see business is capital, research is small, and A is capital and South Asian perspective. So keep it in mind what need to be capital and what need not to be capital. And 8th edition, it's all about edition, and seniors learning is publisher. So the major difference for citing book in APA 7th and APA 6th is that we skipped the location over here in APA 7th, whereas you can place the place before the publisher in APA 6th if you need to cite it in 6th edition. This is the core difference. Thank you for the session.